那他们孩子都没现在个，他就是都就都是都就都打了手里头都就都到单的，好，都这了，就说了呢，不能买。
Hi everyone, welcome back to Robert Pao YouTube channel. I'm Nirja and today I will be sharing with you a short story about Robert Pao's hunting mushrooms. Robert Pao had always been fascinated by the forest. Its dense canopy, the chorus of birds, and the mysterious aura it exuded were a constant draw for him. One crisp autumn morning, he decided to embark on a new adventure, mushroom hunting. Armed with a well-worn guidebook, a basket, and his trusty walking stick, Robert Pao stepped into the forest. The air was cool and fresh, filled with the earthy scent of fallen leaves. Sunlight streamed through the trees, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. He walked for a while, taking in the sights and sounds of the forest. Every now and then, he would stop to examine a cluster of mushrooms, consulting his guidebook to determine if they were the edible varieties he sought. Robert Pao had always been cautious, knowing that while some mushrooms were delicious, others were dangerous. After an hour of searching, Robert Pao stumbled upon a hidden clearing. There, amidst the moss and ferns, he spotted a cluster of golden chanterelles, their trumpet-like shapes standing out against the green backdrop. He knelt down, gently plucking them from the ground and placing them in his basket. As he continued deeper into the forest, he found other treasures, puffballs, morels, and even a rare lion's mane mushroom. Each discovery filled him with a sense of accomplishment and wonder. The sun was beginning to set when Robert Pao decided to head back. His basket was nearly full, and he felt a deep sense of contentment. As he made his way back through the forest, he reflected on the day's adventure. The forest had revealed its secrets to him, one mushroom at a time. He sat down to eat, grateful for the forest's bounty and the peace it brought him. As he savored each bite, Robert knew that he would return to the forest soon. There were always more mushrooms to find, more paths to explore, and more adventures to be had in the enchanting world just beyond his doorstep. Thank you so much for watching Robert Pao's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Robert Pao's channel and hit the like button. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Your feedback means a lot to us, so please leave a comment and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you